Hi children, how are you all? Again staying back at home. Take care of yourselves. Be safe. Come, let us watch this video. This is second standard's third term, English part. In English, first unit, we are going to see the lesson Visit to the Farm. What's this picture? Yes, it's house where we are all are living. That place is called house. Yes, of course. See these pictures. Birds, animals, insects. So many living beings are here. Each and every living being has their own shelters, their own homes. We'll see what are they. The first picture, it's very familiar to you. What is this? It's a picture of bird. Bird. Where does it live? Yeah, it lives in nest. Bird's home is called nest. N-E-S-T, nest. The next picture is honeybee. We'll get honey, no? It's a very good medicine, honey. Instead of sugar, you all take honey. It's good for health. We'll get honey from honeybee, isn't it? Its home is hive. It's called as hive. Beehive. You say it as beehive. Next picture is spider. We'll see in our house corners, in our classrooms also, cupboards, racks. We used to see this insect, that is spider. Our famous cartoon character, Spider-Man. All remember, yes. See this web, W-E-B, web. You all know this term, web. We are all learning the classes nowadays through this web only. Not this web, I am talking about now spider's web. It alone creates its home. Next, horse, fastest animal, isn't it? It runs very fast. Where does it stand? It stands in a stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Next, see, cow, moo. Yeah, it moves, the sound. Where does it stand? Shed. Cow's home is called shed. Next, see our pet, dog. Kennel. Kennel is dog's home. Next, sheep. Cute animal, no? Soft and cute. Pen. Sheep's home is called pen. Pen spelling P-E-N. For writing we are using pen, no? The same spelling. Next, small creature. See, rat. Where and all? Once it will go and stay there. Hole. It makes a hole. There it will stay. Next, pig. Pig's home is called sty. Pig's home is called sty. Next you see duck. Back, quack, quack. Like that we are telling, no? Where does it live? Where does it live? Yes, pond. Okay. See all these birds, animals, insects, their living areas. Be thorough in this. In the next video, we'll see the sounds of animals and DONA'S song and Wonderful Sea poem. Thank you, children. Bye. Take care.